Hello students, welcome back to our social science class. As we discuss question answer of civics chapter first, in previous part we already discussed 1 to 17 question of this chapter. What is democracy and why democracy? Okay, today we will further do question answer. Okay, today we will start from the 18th question. How can we say that people in Mexico did not have any choice in the election? Why they did not have any choice in election? Because PRI party pressurized them to vote in the favor of them. This was no choice for the people in Mexico. There was no way PRI could be defeated, okay? Because there was no choice for the people in Mexico. That's why they were unable to defeat PRI party in Mexico. Even if the people were against it, the election was were not fair. If the people do uh, vote in the against of PRI party, this election was called that it is not a fair election. Next question is beta, which party of Zimbabwe lead the struggle for independence? JANU PF in Zimbabwe lead the struggle for independence. Next question, who was the president of Zimbabwe since independence? The president of Zimbabwe was Robert Mugabe. ठीक है, Robert Mugabe was the president of Zimbabwe. Because when they were not independent, he was the leader of JANU PF party, and after they get independence, he become the president of Zimbabwe, Robert Mugabe. Next question is, how can you say that media is not independent in Zimbabwe? Okay, here is the question that you, why, what is the reason behind that you cannot say that media is not independent? Because television and radio are controlled by the government. Okay, it means that every channel, every telecast on the TV or radio was controlled by the government. Only the ruling party vision, okay? Because they have to publish in the favor of ruling party. The government also harasses those journalists who go against it, okay? If any journalists do publish any news against the PRI party, that journalist was harassed by the party. Who is responsible to protect the basic rights? Judiciary protects the basic rights. Next question is beta, to whom is the ruling party accountable? If any party start ruling in any country, for which persons, which part of the country they are accountable, they have to prove themselves. The ruling party is accountable to the people, okay, who elect them. They are accountable to them. To whom is the ruling party done? Next question, who limits a democratic government power to make rules? Constitutional law and citizen. Because constitution give every right and every possibilities that a leader can do, or and this constitution limited the power of that leaders. That's why constitutional law and citizen rights limit the democratic government. Next question is, which is the most preferred form of government in the world? Most preferred government is democracy government is most preferred government in the world. Next question is beta, point out one democratic feature of democracy. Here is you have to write one feature of democratic, non-democratic government. Leader keep changing in the democracy. This leads instability. Okay. Next question, List the cause for delay in decision making. Involving many people in the decision making and taking their consent lead to delay content lead to delay in decision making in democracy, because in the democratic government there are the both party, ruling party and opposition party, and if they want to take decision, they have bill will be passed from the both side. That's why involving many people in the decision making and taking their content lead to delay in decision making in democracy. Next question: what is the representative democracy? Here is you have to write one feature of democracy and what is representative democracy. It is a form of democracy where the majority of people rule through their elected representative. Next question is explain democracy with its feature. Now we start our long question answer. Explain democracy with its feature. Democracy is a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. First, we define the definition of democracy and then we will start features of democracy. First is rulers elected by the people take all major decision. Okay, those people who are elected by the people, they take major decision. Like Parvez Musharraf take major decision. He changed the constitution and he framed legal framework, and there that legal framework empower him that he is able to dismiss national and provisional assemblies. Next is election offer a choice or for opportunity to the people to change the current rulers. Okay, here is the choice of the people that they can change the current rulers. Next is this choice of and opportunity is available to all the people of an equal basis. It is the choice of all the people to change all the people on equal basis. Next is a democratic government rules within limits set by the constitution, law and citizen right. Okay, if any person, if there is a president, if there is a prime minister, chief minister, every and each person's power was written in the constitution. Okay, they're all already write that what he can change and in which part he can interfere and which part is out of the which subject is out of the these persons. That's why they have to work according to the constitution, law and citizen. Next question: in China, elections are held regularly over every 5 years. Still, it cannot be called the democratic country. Why? Or election in China does not represent people choice. Explain. In China, elections are regularly held every 5 years for electing the country parliament called National People Congress. Okay, every 5 years there were election held, and the parliament of China is called as National People Congress. The National People Congress has the power to appoint the president of the country. Okay, 3,000 persons. This is explained in the next line that it has nearly 3,000 member elect from the all over the China. Next is before contesting election, a candidate needs the approval of the Chinese Communist Party. Okay, if any person want to participate in the election process, they need approval of Chinese Communist Party. Only those are member of the Chinese Communist Party and a smaller party allied to it. Okay, only these can participate in the China election, were allowed to contest election. The government is always formed by the Communist Party. Free and fair election are basic feature of the democracy, but it is not shown in China. If there is because only Communist Party has in the power and he has all the right, that's why it is called as free. This is That's why this is not called a free and fair election. This is all about today. Okay, you have to learn complete very short answer type question and two long question answer of civics chapter first. Thank you and have a nice day.